Welcome back to Andersen Acres. We're in the kitchen again today, and we are going to make buttercream icing, or buttercream frosting, whatever you call it. And the reason we're going to do this is because I made a cake. Somebody wanted to know what kind of icing I used, so this is the kind of icing I use. It's a very basic icing. It has only 4 ingredients, and it is a delicious buttercream and really, really easy to make. So let's get started. So first we're going to add some butter. There we go. It has to be softened butter, and you want about 2/3 of a cup, just right in the bowl, right in your mixer. Now I'm using a Bosch Compact 400-watt kitchen machine. So we're just going to lower that down. There we go. Ignore the people talking. There's lots of people talking. We're going to ignore the people talking. And we're just going to whip up our butter first. So once your butter is basically smeared around the bowl, what you're going to do is turn this on low and add 4 cups of powdered sugar or icing sugar, whatever they call it where you are. It's called both. And you're going to add that gradually, slowly, gently. So turn this on low. And now you're going to just gradually add the powdered sugar. Just keep shaking it. Don't go too fast. Gently, gently. You don't want to dump it all in. Whoops, I dumped too much in at once. So now we're just going to increase the speed. Increase the speed again. Turn that off, and now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use mint, or you could use maple, or you could use almond, depending on the flavor you want your icing to have. Beat that in a little bit. Now we need to add 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. How much depends on the consistency you need your icing to be. So we're going to turn this on and just slowly add milk, about a tablespoon at a time. Turn up the speed a little bit. A little more. We're going to turn our machine off, scrape any excess icing sugar in there, and scrape down the sides. Okay, you want to scrape down your sides. Turn it on one more time. Okay, just for about 30 seconds. And there we go. Look at that. Beautiful, delicious buttercream icing. It's perfect. It is very, very simple. Easy to make. No problems. You can put that on any cake you like. We're putting it on just a basic yellow cake because it is my son's birthday. And that's what he likes. So there you go. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, look at how nice that looks. So I hope you'll make this very basic buttercream frosting at home. It is probably the easiest and most delicious icing to make. So give it a shot. We'll see you tomorrow.